All right, folks, welcome back. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful weekend. This is it. This is the breakdown we were looking for on Tether dominance. This is going to kick off the altcoin season. We are in full swing with these swing trades that we've been posting for the last 6 months. You guys are all in positions and ready for what's to come. So congratulations. If you guys have been accumulating for the last year, maybe 2 years in these markets, it's time for y'all to get paid. That's what's going to happen here. All right, cool. So Tether dominance chart, we know what's happening here. It's breaking down. We just monthly candled right through the trend line, and we're seeing continuation start here. This is a good thing to see on the monthly time frame. Ethereum about to break its pennant. Major move coming here within the next week or two. Looks like it can happen any moment. We're right at the level for a breakout. All right, watch your ETH. The reason why ETH is probably going to go here soon, go to DeFi Llama, check out Ethereum on the TVL chart. You can see the TVL broke the March high or May high. The price will soon follow the TVL. So that breakout is incoming. Watch ETH. That is going to go. Really cool stuff happening on the chart. All right, so yeah, XRP breaking the 7-year pennant. We spoke about this probably for over a year, right? That this pattern was going to play out, and here she is, man. Massive pennant, big breakout. We got a target, really probably up to this $12 region. This could take another, maybe 6 months to a year to play out. I think we're probably going to tag this 450 region. And then probably pull back here, back to like, $1.50, maybe consolidate in this region before we go into our, final leg or whatever. This thing is extremely overbought already on the weekly time frame. You're sitting around 90 on the weekly RSI, man. So you're already really, really in heat. The monthly also starting to get in heat here, 85. You broke the RSI trend line here, so I would think that you top out somewhere around these 90 levels. That will be the top for XRP once you get up there on the monthly time frame. All right, so where that takes the price, I think, like I said, $8 to $12 region, longer term here, the next 6 months. I think that's what that's going to do. All right. So that's it. This is the fun stage of the bull run, guys, where you guys make all the money, and this is when you really need to be de-risking into these accelerated moves. Otherwise, you're going to be left with the bags at the top of the market, and then the market's going to sell off like 40-50% at a shot when it tops out. So make sure you guys are de-risking into these major moves. That's all I really can say. I mean, there's nothing else to do. If you guys accumulated anywhere in the last year and a half in this range, like, you're lit right now on XRP. XLM, same thing. It's, XRP's little brother. A really, really nice ascending triangle setup here. I'm looking between $2 and $6 on this. Again, same type of time frames, the next 3 to 6 months here, we can start tagging these levels. And that's really it. Just pay attention to those levels and watch your RSIs on weekly and monthly time frames. All right, guys, that's very important. There's going to be a lot of FOMO in this market. It's going to start. Like, all your buddies are going to hit you up. Hey, man, should I buy some XRP? Probably not at this level. These levels, you should not be buying XRP. If anything, you should be starting to maybe think about de-risking some stuff. All right. So that's kind of the things that you want to be paying attention to. All right. And that's it. That's all on these charts here. Helium Mobile, God Candle. Yeah. A lot of these altcoins are going to start putting in God Candle's H bar on a run right now. Next fib 23 cents. There's nothing here. Once it it broke this range. There's nothing really here, right? So you got some wicks, some candle body closes from February of 22. Not a lot of price action here. A few months of price action here, with this type of momentum and volume coming in, it's most likely going to push through that. I'm looking, probably around that 170 region. Basically anywhere it ends up tagging this long-term channel up on H bar is what I'm thinking that this will do. And the monthly RSI also not even in heat. It's sitting at 67. Looks pretty good. And your monthly MACD just crossed up and just starting to build positive momentum. This can go on for months. This is what this chart is saying to me. Okay. Monthly stochastic cross up, across the bullish level here, can get into overbought territory. That's when you really want to be exiting H bar on the monthly time frame. All right. Cool. Yeah, there's lots of coins that are just going to start blasting off, man. So go ahead and throw some at me, man. What do you guys got? What do you guys got? I'm going to get back in the scalping bots again. Yeah, check out swingtradepros.com. Check out the SAR indicator, or maybe you should try the rapid fire indicator. That's a little bit more in line with maybe your budget. Yep, I did call out CHZ in the alerts chat. That is going to break out here shortly. And my computer is freezing. That's great. Yeah, so Chili's probably about to catch some follow through here on a weekly candle close outside. Yeah, big move coming for this asset. Very big move coming for this asset. Man, TradingView really just eats up all of my computer's resources. It's just really bad. Can you guys hear me? Am I frozen? This is brutal. Yeah, TradingView sucks. Anyways, yeah, so we could be looking at like $4 on Chili's, top of the channel, next 6 months to a year out for this. No, it's not the stream, man. It's just TradingView. BTC candle close. I think BTC is just going to sit up here, man. Like, looks like it just kind of pinned. They pinned it. They didn't really do anything with it. It's just sitting up here. Of course, always the worst timing. Let's call him when he's streaming. Yeah, actually, this candle is not necessarily the best candle, to be honest. These candles could result in downside action, maybe. But I mean, I just think they're going to keep it up here. I don't think they're going to dump this thing right now. Yeah, I'm still firing like weekly pulse signals here on the ATR chart. We did get like an early sell on the weekly last week or whatever. But I think we maybe just sit up here because Bitcoin dominance just put in like a monthly bearish engulfing candle, right? So that's why I'm saying that this is alt season here starting. So Bitcoin itself could just sit here, man, while the alts just take off, right? Or they're just gonna maybe roll Bitcoin for ETH here. If you look at the ETH Bitcoin chart on the monthly, kind of putting in a not really a pin, but You know, not a bad recovery candle there. They wicked it through the major trend line and brought it right back into the structure. So the structure is still intact. It's, you know, sitting right on the major fib extension here. Yeah, this is a major structure for the ETH Bitcoin chart. You know, 336% measured move out of the triangle. You know, so yeah, it's basically telling you if ETH Bitcoin will trade roughly around 15.5% of a Bitcoin by the end of this altcoin run, back up to the top of the range. That's what it's saying. It's about time for a correction. Is that why you came on here to tell us that the market's going to correct itself? Cool, man. No, dude, I think these altcoins are about to bust out. So a lot of them have been setting up on the charts for weeks and months. So they're just going to start candling out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Nah, dude. I think a lot of this stuff is about to really go in a big way. BTC stochastic RSI. On what time frame? Monthly chart? Yeah. Yeah, this is the beginning of the altcoin run. 2 week. Still ticked up pretty nice here. Nice separation. Haven't reached the 100 level yet. Let's say once you get up there, it's probably time for a big pullback. Your 3 week just crossing bullish territory. Your monthly also crossed up again. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Your weekly kind of flatlining here. So this might just mean exactly what I said, just sits up here for a week or two or whatever. Yeah, while the altcoins run. NVIDIA. NVIDIA with a weekly cross down, not confirmed on the sell signal just yet. On the weekly, the 2 week looks okay. I'm kind of worried that if this curls over on the 2 week chart, that this could end up coming down a bit. Okay. Well, you're holding this support level here for now. Monthly candle closed on Friday, right? Yeah. Still technically a monthly bullish engulfing candle on the monthly time frame. You're very much so in heat on the RSI. 88 on the RSI. Just in a massive uptrend. Massive uptrend. And yeah, your monthly stochastics are about to cross back up. So that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. They might just keep NVIDIA up here. Maybe oscillated a bit in the ranges. But I think ultimately this probably goes higher. That's what that says. Yeah, your quarterly chart still got some separation. 5 month chart, nice separation. 6 month chart just crossing up. Yeah, the next year or two for NVIDIA number go up. That's what this says. Okay, you're gonna probably get some drawdowns in between there, of course, but looks like you're gunning for $300. That's what that says. Maybe over the course of the next 6 months to a year. All right, cool. Fear and greed index. Take a look at it. I'm sure it's in greed right now. We're in a bull market. Let's see. $80. Okay. Look at SCI in a second. Altcoin index chart. This is something you guys should be paying attention to. There you go. It says we're in altcoin season. I assume that this is kind of shorter term. If you go to the yearly chart, we're not in altcoin season on the year. I would say we've just started it here the last couple months. But if you look at the yearly, and I think this is really important to look at, you can see that this basically formed a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern on the yearly altcoin season index. So yeah, I think we have a solid 6 months to a year of price action to capture. You know, there's going to be drawdowns in between, of course, guys. But yeah, make sure you guys take profits along these breakouts out. All right. Cool. So on the yearly, we haven't got into altcoin season. On the monthly, we're in heat on the monthly. We all know that because we just started this on the monthly here. But very cool. Very cool to see. All right, let's look at a lot. Litecoin. Oh yeah, Urus. Let's take a look at Urus here. Man, this chart is very depressed, Arash. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you got to break this trend line, this downtrend, man. Got to break it. Got to break it. Your monthly RSI is very, very, very wrecked. Very wrecked. No real edge on this chart until you start breaking that, man. All right. CHR track. ENS and DOT. Let's look at DOT real quick. DOT broke the wedge pattern finally. Nice. All right, I have this box kind of marked off here. This is a big resistance area for it between $14 to $21 region. You know, that probably wouldn't be a bad area to de-risk some DOT. The weekly is starting to pulse here. You can see these green bars coming in. These are buy signals on the weekly time frame on the ATR chart. So it's looking good. It's in a breakout. Just started its breakout. Okay. DOT's looking good. ENS probably similar things, especially with Ethereum about to break out. I think, oh, wow, I drew a lot of stuff on this chart. Yeah, ascending triangle breakout. That's exactly what it was drawn, and clearly that's what just happened. Very nice. So you broke your downtrend, you rallied out, you range bounded for a while, and then just broke through an ascending triangle. Very nice. The top of your range here, $70. You know, one could construe this as one big cup structure. I think maybe once you get up here, you're probably going to pull back and maybe make a handle for your final leg type of thing. Pay attention to ETH and the ETH TVL because this is an ETH asset. So if the TVL on ETH is breaking out, there's a good chance that this asset is going to continue higher. But yeah, I would say that if you break your all-time high, your price discovery target is around this 160 level. All right. It might even surpass that. I'm just giving you a Fibonacci level. When you go into price discovery, it's really difficult to know how high it's going to go. So we just use Fibonacci levels as our guide. Cool. Litecoin, GME, SEI, and I believe Track was asked for. We'll look at that. Track. That's Origin Trail. Nice. You got a nice breakout back here in November. You made a nice rally. Based out down back here around 48. Yep. Top of your range here is about $1.44. Again, with the cup and handle structures, okay. Can clearly see that this overshot a bit, right? But it's basically a cup with handle structure. Nice chart. It's a nice chart. Monthly looking good. Nice cross up. This is telling you this is going to go much higher in the coming months. Okay. Maybe I'm underestimating a lot of these targets, man. I don't know. But I don't like to give exuberant targets, because if you do that, people get greedy, and you really don't want to be greedy. You want to take profits along the way. Otherwise, you're going to be upset that you didn't, and you'll end up losing a lot of profit that way. So always remember that, guys. Don't be greedy. Take profits along the way. You can always reaccumulate an asset. If we're still in a bull market, you can buy a dip. Or you can just sit sideline, man. Just enjoy the cash, enjoy the profit that you made. Take care of your families and do some good things with the capital. But yeah, I mean, from swing high to low, from the bear market low, 950 might be a target on this. But it looks pretty clear that it's respecting this channel. It could really set off, man. It could go to $40. I mean, it could do something like that with that monthly stochastic like that. But I would definitely be selling at all these levels, because you don't know where it's going to end up topping out. All right. And even I would probably de-risk some at the all-time high as well. Because again, yeah, this is a cup with handle. So yeah, I think the handle structure is taking you to the all-time high area, or the 886 or close to it. Cool. Nice chart. SEI, Litecoin. Litecoin looks a lot like the XLM chart with the ascending triangle formation here. All right. Yeah, and this might actually really end up breaking out sometime soon. You got this major neckline here at 140. You start breaking that. I mean, you got a big squeeze you're about to break, man. You actually broke it. That's really big for Litecoin. CIV. I don't know what that is, man. But yeah, you're pulsing monthly signals, buy signals here on Litecoin. From swing low to high, you're looking at a 600% measured move as you break the structure. That's a massive move for Litecoin. I would be targeting about half that move, so like maybe $700 on a swing trade. This is Litecoin, guys, but yeah, Litecoin. $800 actually lines up with a Fibonacci level. There you go. Perfect. $800 for Litecoin. All right, cool. FTM, AVAX, Dodo, CLV. Okay. See, Floki was asked about. Yeah, Floki was still in that major setup. I think I charted it last stream for you guys. It's still sitting up here. I think that it's going to break out. Your monthly crossed up very nicely. This could take a few weeks to play out, to start moving. Yeah, I mean, this looks, it's wound up, man. I mean, what do you want to see? So here you go. All right, your 3-week. You got 3-week bullish divergence on your stochastic RSI oscillators, giving you a 3-week buy signal. The 2-week gave you a buy signal. The weekly obviously already had given you a buy signal. So this might sit up here for a bit, might consolidate before it really breaks this range. But yeah, maybe in a couple of weeks, it's just one day, it's just going to go boom right through. All right. So sit tight if you're in this position here. I think that this is definitely set up for a major move. Yeah, that looks massive. Cool. SEI broke the downtrend, back tested, rallied. Okay. Not a lot of data on this chart. This coin looks like a baby to me, so that's good. It's probably a layer 1. I think this is a layer 1, maybe a layer 2. Yeah, somewhere along the top side of this channel, it'll get to before something like this. So you get somewhere up here, and maybe you come back down, and maybe make one more run, like towards the end of the cycle or something. Or maybe it just gets really explosive and TVL breaks out, and maybe it does break through the channel. Like, all that stuff is possible. But for now, you can clearly see the channel being regarded as a support. Okay. FTM. FTM is a massive asset. Yeah, I gave like a 5-wave structure for it, back to the all-time high, then pull back, and then your 5th wave towards the end of the cycle. $7 to $20 in these regions here. I don't know how high it's going to go. But yeah, like 750 is probably a good target for FTM. Any meme coin trades? I'm actually in a pulse chain meme coin. It's called Ink. It's RSI is a 20 reading on the monthly time frame, and it's pretty deep liquidity. It's on pulse chain. Yeah, take a look, see at this chart down here. This looks really good. All right, monthly RSI at 20. I think that this coin is going to do some crazy stuff. But do your own research, of course. But after you make these bottoms like this, what's to come afterwards is some crazy stuff like this. And, it could do a big cup with handle into a blow off top type of move. Do your own research, but I think that this is really good value down here. None of this is financial advice, of course. But yeah, and you also have, TVL breaking out on Pulse Chain 2 to kind of catalyze these moves to have happen. We'll take a look at Clover Finance here as well. It's asked about Clover. Clover Finance still at the bottom of its range. Monthly time frame looks great. Still really good risk to reward down here. Floki was another trade that was a meme coin, by the way. That was just given. Yeah, Clover Finance monthly RSI is a reading of 3, man. Really low risk on the monthly time frame. Definitely something you want to be holding or swing trading in a bull market. If this asset does something good, but you can clearly see you put in a nice monthly double bottom. Very nice. Right? Had a slight range deviation, but they rallied it all the way back up to the top fib. And they pulled it back. They took profit from 2 cents. Yeah, they just 8x their money. Of course, they're going to take some profit, right? But yeah, that's a double bottom. You got your neckline here at 12 cents. You start breaking 12 cents. You're looking at a 322% measured move after that. So probably up to your next fib level here around 48 cents. Just trade the levels, man. That's it. Or just hold it. I think monthly RSIs down there, very low risk to be in long term. 6 months to a year type of stuff. With those RSIs down there like that, you just look for an entry on a weekly or a 3-day chart. Good stuff. We looked at FTM. We didn't look at AVAX. Take a look at that. Nice monthly bullish engulfing candle on a break. This was a fake break. Not really a fake break, but we tagged the midline here on this channel, long-term channel. See the accumulation happening, the partial decline from this low, made a higher low. Again, with the cup and handle stuff here, right? The cup with the handle. And I'm looking at, $85 once you break this midline, this neckline here on AVAX. And you just measure the handle from the bottom to the top is about 150% move on the break of $54. So that should take you to about the all-time high on this push, all right? That's what this chart says. And then you want to look at TVL. TVL on Avalanche is at the bottom. So Avalanche could really explode if TVL starts really flooding into this chain. So watch out, man. This is a major asset. It's a major L1. It's been around for a bit. It's got some really good things behind it. That's one of the stronger assets, I would say, out of the altcoins. Cool. Dodo is an exchange, I believe. DEX, again, definitely at the bottom of its range. yeah, looks very nice on the monthly, ticking up here. You got your squeeze coming in, very nice. These all look really good, guys. Like, I'm not just saying they look good. All the technicals look great. They really do. So this is the time to really pick and choose the right assets to make some good gains, right? Dodo, the range break area around 25 to 27 cents. We start candle closing above that. There's not really much, right? You got, this level here around 85 cents. So just that right there is about a 6x trade once you break that trading range, and you can see this accumulation structure. And, this could really blast, man. I mean, maybe not that drastic, but, if this, whatever chain this is on, and, it really could go back up to $30 on a big swing back up, right? Your monthly RSI is looking nice, sitting at 50 bullish, right? Big squeeze. These all look great, guys. These charts look great. What did I miss? Did I miss anything? We've been live for about 30 minutes. Appreciate all you guys tuned in. We got 15 people on the stream tonight. Thank you guys all for joining me. Hopefully you guys are learning. Hopefully you guys are all making some money now on your altcoins. We've been in some of these coins for over a year and a half, 2 years on some of them, right? So hodling strong, earning yield off them, whatever it is we were doing with them. That's it, man. I mean, I don't know what else to say other than this is the best part of the cycle. This is the best part of the cycle to be in crypto, man. This is it, 100%. If you guys want to join the community, if you haven't done so already, I extend the Black Friday deal to you guys here. Let me know, join the Discord. We can talk about it, whatever it is that you're interested in, and we'll get you guys going. All right. Let's see. CHR, sure. Nice higher low being put in. Massive monthly bullish divergence taking form on the MACD oscillator. Yeah, that is setting up for a big move. That is setting up for a big move. And long term. 488% measured move on a break. Should bring you right to the all-time high, or maybe right up to it. You might get paused right here at the midline. Yeah, Mudang is a big one. Turbo, those are also big meme coins. I'm not really too sure what those charts look like. We can take a look at Turbo. Just up and to the right, man. I mean, probably not something I would personally buy up here, but good luck to the folks that own this thing. It's probably going to go higher with the rest of the market. Yeah, your 2-day giving you buy signals. What's going on, Daniel? Jeremy, thanks so much for the $10 super chat, man. You didn't have to do that, brother. Appreciate it, though. Oh, it's the real crack baby. What's up, dude? How you been, bro? Thank God, man. We're good. We're good. We're good. Helium Mobile. Big break on a wedge here. So your swing is the top of the wedge, man. 0.06. Who knows what it does after that? It might. It's looking a bit extended on the 2-day, but you just broke a squeeze. Weekly still got room to run. Thanks so much for joining, Aaron. Appreciate your time, dude. Awesome, dude. I'm glad I could do so. Glad I could do so. That really makes me feel good, man. I'm sure there's, I don't know, I'm sure there's lots of people, right? A lot of people kind of petered out during the bear market here, and we've learned a lot of things, right, along the way here. It's all about learning and growing and not being greedy in these markets, right? When you have the profit, you should take some. You should always take some profit. And if you don't take it, somebody else will. Remember that, okay? But also, you know, pay attention to high time frames. Dude, there's always going to be wins and losses, man. That's just how it is. You just need to win more than you lose. You just need to win more than you lose, brother. That's it. Yeah, the weekly is telling you continuation on this, Jeremy. I just watched this weekly RSI. Once that starts to get in heat, man, probably time to take some profit, because you'll probably get a big drawdown, right? Me 12K. Yeah, that's sick, dude. Nice. Let's run it back. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's do it, man. For anyone that took the Algorand swing trade, you guys are in quite a significant profit off this wedge down here, folks. H-bar 2, the H-bar swing trade. Man, all these swing trades are playing out. It's really nice to see. We spoke about H-bar. Kusama hasn't started yet, man. But wait, if Polkadot's gonna go, man. Kusama, man, just this is it's a little baby down here. Look at the monthly. You know, you're just breaking the RSI here. Once you break this 50 level, there is nothing on the monthly RSI until about 60. This thing is just going to start candling out of nowhere. And you heard it here first. This is a classic falling wedge setup on a monthly time frame. All right, I'm looking at you know, targets from anywhere from 62 to 143 on this next leg for KSM. Huge swing trade. Flow is another one, man. You guys know I've been buying the flow during the whole bear market. What do you want? Monthly double bottoms down here. Look at your monthly stochastic oscillator. I mean, dude, these squeezes on these monthly time frames, you can't ignore these things. This is like a swing trader's dream. Some of these charts right here, guys. All right. This is going to be absolutely epic and life-changing stuff for some people that have been taking risks down here. That's all I'm going to say. I mean, the patience that you need to have when you're in these markets and you start accumulating assets down at the bottoms of the ranges, it takes time. It takes time to play out, okay? This trade right here might take another 6 months to play out. This trade right here is going to run it all the way back. It's going to run it all the way back to 40 bucks. Nice. Near protocol, yeah. Near's looking great, man. Tag the middle of the channel as support. Monthly chart pointing probably right up to 1467 on this push, and you start breaking this channel, this accumulation structure, you know, 31 bucks, first fib target into price discovery. And yeah, this all looks good, man. You know, monthly stochastics ticked up. That's all you need to really see, man. If that monthly's ticking up and your monthly RSI is still down here at 62, you know you got room to run. A lot of room to run. This thing topped out at 78 on the RSI, so I'd be targeting that on the monthly RSI for maybe your top. And you know, you could blow through that. You could go to into the 90s. We've seen some of these assets go into the 90s or close to 100 on the RSI, but I would say that you probably don't want to be in the asset above that or anywhere. You know, as soon as you start pushing like 70, 75, you know, it's time to probably de-risk the positions. Okay. So that's it. That's it for near. This looks good. EGLD is another one that you guys should watch out for, man. Still hasn't broke out yet. I got a bag of this. Monthly bullish divergence on your MACD. This thing's going to probably just start candling out of nowhere. Huge trade setup. Last cycle did a 900x. I'm not expecting a 900x this cycle because there's more liquidity, but man, this bull flag is pointing to a pretty big figure. I'm looking in between here. Maybe like a more conservative target is after price discovery break around maybe $1,300 or something, which is 30, 40x. It's pretty massive trade. This is amazing stuff to see on charts, guys. It really is. It's a little baffling to see if you're me. Like, wow. Here's your bearish divergence. That was your top. Here's your bullish divergence. This is your bottom, right? Top, bottom. Top, bottom. They painted the chart perfectly for you on a monthly time frame. Like, what else do you want to see as a trader? That's exactly what you want to see. If you want to learn how I identify these things, make sure you guys join the Discord, join the fam. You know, I don't think my services are really expensive at all. But if you think that they are and you don't have the budget to afford it, let me know. We could talk about it. You know, I'll give you a free trial. We'll hold your hand. We'll help you out. We have a lot of great community members here. A lot of people that come on this stream every week, even through the bear market. Now, of course, we have some folks coming in that are new and, you know, new market participants coming in streams. Sure, that's great. I'm here for you guys. I've been here for you guys for since what? 2019, 2018. So, appreciate all you guys tuning in and staying with me here, and hopefully you guys all make some nice gains and take your families on some nice vacations later this year, next year. And yeah, hopefully you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Forgot about that. Wonderful Thanksgiving. You know, we got, you know, Christmas and Hanukkah and holidays coming up here. It's a really great time of year. And that's it, man. That's it. I'm as transparent as I could possibly be with the community. I tell people when I'm still in trades, maybe stuck in trades, down on trades, whatever. I'm not here to showboat or do anything out of the ordinary. I'm just looking at charts. The charts are my boss these days, man. I'm full-time trading at this point, and this is what I do. I enjoy this stuff. I love the charts. So if you want to be part of this family, join up, hang out. No, I've just been mostly spot trading, man. It's just so much. Like these meme coins on Solana give you so much to wiggle room. Like I don't even need to left trading is. I don't need to sit on 15-minute charts, dude. I just don't need to do it. But maybe I'll start. We're getting some nice breaks. We got some nice setups on these charts. Maybe just let one run, dude, you know? Catch a break and let one run. We'll see. But yeah. Pat's doing the scalp trades in the community right now. So I don't know if you've been following Pat. He's one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best Wyckoff accumulation traders that I've ever met. He is great, man. He's great. He runs his own hedge fund. He runs like a $300-400 million fund. He comes in. He came in here to help me out when I had my daughter, and he's still here. He just posts. Look at all these. Look at these trades he's posting, man. He's on the scalps, dude. He crushes it. Absolutely crushes it. And it's all Wyckoff accumulation schematics that he's looking at, and he is at another level. He's above my level, and when it comes to Wyckoff stuff, I'm just a momentum trader, and I just look at levels really, and I watch TVL. So, yeah, he's great. He's a great value add to the service. Yeah, he doesn't do that, man. He's a busy guy, dude. He's managing a lot of capital, dude. A lot of capital. He's managing a lot, like $300-400 million type of fund. Yeah, I don't think you need to do anything else right now. I think it's just holding season, and maybe still accumulating season on some of these. All right, that are still down at their bottoms. Right. Some of them have left the station. Some of them have not. The ones that have not left the station might be happening later on because they're maybe not as in demand, right? What's going on, dude? What's going on? Is that Drew? What's up, dude? Your portfolio is probably looking pretty lit, huh? BANUSDT and bonk. All right, yeah, we'll take a look at it, man. Comedian. Never heard of this one. Not really too much to chart here. Price discovery, maybe a cup structure forming here. I probably wouldn't recommend buying something up here. Maybe wait for a pullback. But if you're holding the position, that's fine. I think we're in a nice bull run right now. Your daily is curling back up. It's probably going to go higher. It looks like it's going to go higher on the daily. Just look for that break, man. That 28-cent break. I have no idea where this thing's going, man. Good luck. Too new of an asset. Bonk. Broke the triangle, man. What do you want, dude? Breakout. Retest. Maybe consolidate. Your measured move is to about that 0001 level. It's a big flag pattern too. Big pennant. Big, beautiful structure painted here on the chart. Beautiful structure. Very nice. Altcoin is going a lot higher. Yes. Chart is saying there is more upside to come on bonk. Cool. Filecoin, yep. Lagger, but broke out. There it is, the break, the $5 break region, right? The double bottom, the range break. Your next level here is 786. You break that, your top of the range here, 1138. Break that, you're looking at the midline at $15. I think eventually, man, top of the range is $90 on Filecoin. Yeah. Ponky. Yeah, Ponky. I thought Ponky was breaking out, wasn't it? Still holding its uptrend. I haven't checked out ADA, but I'm pretty sure it broke out, right? It's So you deviated outside this channel here a bit, tried to break and failed, and came back into the structure. You're still holding the structure nicely. The daily and the 2-day look like they're just resetting right now. So it's up there though, man. It's up there. I don't know what your entry is on that thing, but good luck. ADA with the wedge break. Probably to that $1.35 region. You can see a big cluster of resistance up here. Let's see. You can see it. You can see this rectangle range right here, right? You're coming into it. You're into it, coming into it right now. You're off a major breakout, right? You're very overbought on the 2-day time frame. You're also very overbought on the weekly time frame. Okay. Monthly, not so much. Monthly says you got more room, but your weekly chart is saying you are getting pretty extended. I think you probably tag this 130 region. Maybe you don't. I mean, it just depends. Like, you're at a major Fibonacci level right here. Okay. But it's probably a long-term hold, man. You're going to get drawdowns here soon after major moves like that. Very heated on the weekly chart. Yeah, your weekly stochastics are already at like the 100 level. It wouldn't shock me if this thing did pull back pretty significantly, back to, 60 cents or something, make a higher low and then break. Okay, something like that. All right. Aptos, yep. Aptos is a nice pattern right now. We're talking about that at like $9 down here, or $5 down here, top of the bottom of the range. Pay attention to TVL on Aptos. If Aptos' TVL is breaking out, that means the price will follow soon after that. TVL is just climbing, man. Yeah. So Aptos is going to run. Yeah. Just watch though your weekly up here, okay? Your stochastics on the weekly are again a little heavy up there. Haven't crossed down yet, but yeah, I think you touched the top of the range, 1720, and maybe pull back a bit, right? Maybe you get up here and you pull back a little bit, make a higher low, and then bust it, something like that. A couple weeks, maybe a month later, something like that. Yeah, something like that. This is the chart we need to be paying attention to, guys. Yeah, dude. The band chart looked good, dude. GHLF. Is that a ticker? Oh. Yeah, 'tis the season to be in altcoins right now, for sure. Okay. With Bitcoin dominance breaking down like this for the first time in 17 months. Fireworks coming. Fireworks coming. This is probably going to happen for Bitcoin dominance back to 45%. And that'll probably be the end of altcoin season. All right. We got a long ways down for Bitcoin dominance. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream and got something good out of it. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Join the community if you guys want. Here for you guys, doing this for, I don't know, 8 years now. So appreciate the content. You guys know what to do. Have a wonderful week. See you guys next week. Catch you guys then. Appreciate all you guys' time.
Hey everyone, you've landed on the Swing Trade Pros website here. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I've been an active swing trader for over 7 years. I want to welcome you guys all to the community here. My goal is to change 1 million people's lives with swing trading and trading profitably. This is a skill set you can learn here with the service. You go check out the testimonials in Discord. You can see lots of folks talking about the service and how the trade calls are super profitable. You can check Profit Gains channel. I think we've amassed around $150,000 worth of profits in the last year posted in the Profit Gains channel just from other users and traders in the community. I'd like all of you guys to check out the 14-day free trial. A coupon code will be pinned in the comment section below this video, so check it out. And we'll take you through 14-day free trial process here. You come down to the website, save 44%, and claim your 14-day free trial. Click on that. And that will take you to the Swing Trade Pros website where you can click sign up now. And after your 14-day free trial is up, on the 15th day, you will get billed, full disclosure of that. And I appreciate you guys all joining the community. It will change your lives. Give it a chance. A lot of these swing trades can take months. One of our biggest trades of the year last year was INJ. We took an entry at $1.60, and well, that asset's trading over $35 today. So that was one of the banger trades that I pointed out. My strongest pattern that I trade that I'm known for is the falling wedge. I call it the falling node wedge pattern. Lots of divergence on these charts, and that's what makes these patterns really play out. And you guys are going to be able to really learn that in the service, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the charts.